Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Spotify account. So let's start. But before moving forward you have to remember that you cannot delete your account from the app. Now open a browser and go to spotify.com. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Then tap on login. Now quickly log into your account. I will continue with Google. Now tap on three dots on top right corner. Then enable desktop site. Now I will zoom in a little bit. Now tap on three bars on top right corner and go to support. Now tap on the search bar and type in close. And you should see the suggestion close your account. Tap on that. Now under the don't have premium section, tap on close your account. Now from the list, tap on account. And then tap on I want to close my account. Here you will see two options. If you have a premium account, then you can keep your free account. Or if you want to close your account, then tap on close account. Now you have to go through a process. Tap on close account. Then tap on continue. Now mark the checkbox and then tap on continue. Now Spotify has sent you a link on your email. All you have to do is go to your email and click on the link and your Spotify account will be closed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.